What is in your drawers? 8. 8. I dug out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. So instead of just looking at me, let's look at these knives. Let's get into it. Well, let's see what I'm toting today. Carrying the old case mini trapper with the buck deers on it, and like always, the old Microtech Combat Trudon. And I grabbed these out of the drawer. Let's see what we got. It's easy open. Old school Camillus with a bail. Pretty cool knife. Got a little chip out of the bone right there. It's pretty full though. There we go. That's pretty cool. Number 1. Here got for the American men and women who served and died in the Vietnam War. Winchester trademark, 1965, 2000. Vietnam, 35th anniversary. Winchester, USA. That's cool knife. Little hella chopper. Little M16. Pretty cool. There's old pinch bolstered half Congress. Camillus, New York. Been sharpened some. That's fine. I've been squirreling away these little Camillus knives. I've got a Camillus showcase that I need to fill up, and I'm just gonna fill it up with all this kind of these old Camilluses like this. But yeah, that's a cool one there. This is another Camillus. I thought that had an etch on it, but I think it was just fingerprints. That one's got a look like something been chewing on that one. Huh. Yeah, something took a bite out of that one. I like the Congress pattern knife. It does look like somebody just took a bite out of that though, doesn't it? That's kind of cool. This last one I'm gonna try to guess what it is without looking. Yeah, I don't know. It kind of looks like a hen and rooster. Let's see how good I am. Well, look at there. Hen and rooster. World's finest cutlery. Little 4-blade Congress. Pretty cool. Well, that's fancy. Well, there you guys go. There's what's in my drawers today. And we'll move these up and we'll dig some more out one of these days. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.